Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Emma. In this video, I just want to share all my favorite in 2020. January, the first month of 2020, so I'm so excited to share all items I really enjoy for this month. From fashion, beauty, and etc. related to lifestyle. Anyway, let's get started. The first thing I want to share is this sweatshirt. Although it's just a sporty sweatshirt, it looks a little bit more feminine and girlish because the neckline is wider compared to normal sweatshirt. And there's a puff detail here and it's not long sleeve, you can see. I'm not a big fan of like too much casual clothing because I like comfy but also really cute outfits. So that's the reason why I wear this sweatshirt constantly, because it looks cute but also really comfy. So I wear it quite often and it was just $7. Alright, so I have two favorite beauty products for this month. The first one is this lipstick. I applied it right now. I'm a big fan of nudie color and it's kind of nudish pink color. That color really matches well with my lips, so I just try so many pink, brown color in many brands. It's pretty affordable. It's just $4, so I feel like I don't worry about trying new one because sometimes I'm worried about making mistake. I mean buying not good product. I just don't like the feeling. That just kind of wasted my money. But it matches pretty well, you can see. It's my daily lipstick these days. So the next beauty product I want to share is this L'Oreal hair oil in cream. I showed it before like 1 year ago and I used it as a heat protector, but it also contains good oil to make my hair healthy and glow. It has two purposes. When I was in Canada, I used a spray type of heat protector, but in Korea there are not many heat protector products compared to Canada, so I restart using this one. It's better to use cream type instead of spray type because I just feel like it makes my hair more moisturized. I don't know, it's just my taste. So I want to share two items related to lifestyle. The first one is book. This book is The Power. Is one of the series of Secret. The author is Rhonda Byrne. I don't know how to read her name. I read other series. The book was magic, but I told you guys I didn't get much out of that, so I'm hesitated to get it, but it was pretty cheap. I just dropped by a random second-hand bookstore. I just saw it, I just got it because I usually get bored while commuting to work, so I read this book while commuting. I finished this book less than a week. This book taught me the importance of being positive and loving all the things in life. Sometimes it's pretty hard. For example, yesterday I had a kind of not great day for some reason. I didn't have a good sleep because of some worries and some, negative thoughts towards my future. After having like 5 hours sleep, I exercised. I came back home and before having breakfast, I just wrote down some gratitude journal. That made me feel a lot better, so you can definitely check if you want to be more positive and be more loving person. The last thing I want to share is a YouTuber. She's a Canadian YouTuber. Her name is Gwen etc. I don't know how to say her YouTube name, but she's more famous about her ASMR channel, but I love her second channel more. Although I'm a big fan of ASMR, I love ASMR because they make me really soothing, calming, and that makes me help me go sleep easily. I love her personality. She's really bubbly and she's into many things I'm also interested in. For example, animals, especially her cat River is so cute. Yeah, I love her style, and she's also interested in yogas and healthy mindset and good habits in life. She's not really that much famous, but I feel like she's gonna grow a lot because she decided to put more effort to her not ASMR channel. I feel like that's really cool. So I put her channel in my description box below, so you can definitely check her YouTube channel too. Anyway, these things are all I want to share for today's video, and comment down below what's your favorite in 2020 January. It's the end of the first month in 2020. Oh man, time is so precious, but I just feel like I wasted my previous yesterday by worrying and being negative toward the future. Today I just told myself, oh, I can learn something from yesterday's experience. Today's a new day, so I want to be refreshed, and today's holiday, so I should be happy. Thanks for watching it, and see you in my next video. Bye guys.